I want to get a wig.
You should.
There's a whole wig shop.
Really?
Is somebody calling me?
You and I'm an FBI agent. You're
Dude.
like, hello. We're back. We're so back.
I'm back.
But I'm back with friends.
How much light do you fucking need?
Would you ever do Randonatica?
No. Fuck.
You wouldn't?
Would you?
I would. Oh, it's fun. If you do it like with more people with a group, or
What
even
if
just
it takes it to a bad place?
if you start hearing people come after you or something, just run and get out and pretend it never happened. Okay, we came to the food trucks because we're gonna try some food. You, bro.
What?
I had to drag her. I have to drag you to the Mexican place.
Yes.
Mexican restaurant.
I need to go. Like, actually, I need to.
You're gonna try everything on the menu, no matter what.
Everything on the menu. What is this song?
This is from Stranger Things, right?
I think it is.
Guys,
Donuts.
literally like almost the whole place.
Every single thing we trying to access is closed. The way you can't even see you. Okay, we went
You're
to
like one
multiple. Ooh, look at the portrait mode.
It's cinematic.
But yeah, every single thing is closed. We came here for Mexican food and sushi, and
Bro,
they're
it's right
both
there.
closed.
It's closed. I don't like the little submarine right here.
No,
It's
you
blurred.
can't see here. It's blurred.
All right, we stumbled upon what is this place?
Ramen.
Hibachi, boba tea. What did you say?
Or ramen.
Yo, we came here for something. Wait,
Pictures of the ramen.
where does it say ramen here? Oh my god. It's public.
How I feel about tahini. I've never had it.
Tahini is good. It's just like spicy, but not that spicy.
But
It's
this is like
sweet.
Takis?
I'd say it's better. It's a little bit better. Yeah.
Ooh, I fear.
I fear you're gonna have to get Mexican street corn.
Is there mayo?
Esquites. Yeah. You like mayo?
Yeah, I love
All right.
it. Look at the fit.
The fit of the day.
I'm wearing
Me,
pants.
not that better either.
Bruh, no. I almost popped out in my work clothes.
Okay, so we finally got the food. You got hot Cheetos for the second time.
Hot Cheetos again.
And then this one is the Yakuza roll. I don't know what it says it right there. Like, oh, I can't zoom in. It's that one right over there. My pointy finger. And then this one is the tajin.
I think
The original esquite. We should what?
go too far. And I'm gonna
And this is what's it called? Maracuya.
passion fruit.
I forgot we had this.
Oh, the sauces? That's yum yum.
This one? Yum yum? Is it just mayo?
I think you're right. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, it is cooked.
Mm-hmm.
It is cooked.
So what is the meat behind it?
I'd have to look at it. Says rice, eel, shrimp tempura, cucumber, and avocado. Less belly is so good. And one day I'm gonna have that birria. How do you say it?
Birria ramen?
Birria ramen. I'm like, birria?
Going a whole lot faster than that.
Do you know how to use chopsticks?
It's bad, the way I was gonna take it, bro. But I wanted this. So it's nobody's fault but mine. Yeah. But this will be enough. Like, I'll be full.
Just realized it had a salmon in it.
You're dropping the sushi off the plate. You're like, this is good though?
Can you see?
Work break. You gotta order it, right? Smiling.
Yummy. Oh my god. How many times did you ride Slinky Dog?
Holy shit, I've been sweating like a pig, bro.
So hot. It's like humid. I think that's why.
I don't know.
So that was 2 times. Okay.
You know when you're on your period and you're not hungry?
That's you?
Yeah. I don't even know what I'm eating. I'm not even hungry. I'm just eating because just to eat.
Have you eaten today?
No.
That's why
I was
you're
struggling to
eating.
eat because the cramps.
Oh, they're that bad? You take medicine?
I don't want to take the Tylenol or nothing like that because
Why?
it's bad for your kidney in the long run.
So you just thug it out. I couldn't.
You don't? You be taking it?
My first day is really, really bad. Like, I can't not do it. I'd be in bed, like, crying. But if you can stick it through,